Hi fams, and welcome back to the Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove green screen in VN Video Editor using the Chroma key feature. So we're going to go ahead and create a new project, and then we select the video based and then click on save. So the first thing is select our main video that we want to edit, and then click on next to add the footage to the timeline. So once that has been done, we are going to click on the next timeline just above that to add a green screen. Then we click on photos, then we're going to click on the green screen video, and it's been overlaid on our video. So what we want to do is to position the green screen appropriately. You want to make sure it's just at the place you want it to be on the video, and once I've confirmed that, so the next thing is to scroll the toolkit to find Chroma key, which is right here, and then you'd want to drag the Chroma key around the overlaid video to get rid of the green screen. Adjust the intensity a little bit forward and adjust the speed as well a little bit forward, and then you can click to save. So that way we have successfully overlaid our green screen video on our main video on the timeline. Alright guys, so we're just going to play back the video to see how it looks. So we just hit on the play button, and there you have it. You can see that our green screen video is properly overlaid on the video without the green screen. So guys, that's how to go about it using the VN editor to remove green screen for your video editing. Thank you for watching, and like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.